Hey guys, it's Allison here, and I have just come back. I popped across the line to pick up my next card kit from Simon Says Stamp. Because Canada Post was being a little bit finicky, I decided to have it shipped to a US address that I have access to. So it actually came in a week ago, which I was like, what? So exciting. So I think I can look forward to getting my monthly card kits in a more timely manner from now on, which is awesome. Okay, so this is the April card kit, and from what I remember, it is full of rainbows, which is very exciting. Ooh, ripping. Destroying and ripping. And then, no, that's not lipstick. Okay. 2 Distress Oxide inks, Squeezed Lemonade and Mermaid Lagoon. That sounds very exciting. My monthly sucker, which I will have to give to the girls soon. We've got 2 envelopes. And then some lovely 6x6 papers. Oh, sneak peek. And these are, I think they might be Lawn Fawn. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. So this is like a rainbow ledger. How fun is that? Might even be good for scrapbook pages. Ooh, all of these. Look at that. Lovely rainbows. That's fun. If any of you watch or follow me on Instagram, then you know that my youngest just had a rainbow unicorn birthday party. I won't necessarily use these to scrapbook her birthday party, but this would have been good to make invitations with, for sure. Okay, moving on. We have a stencil. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it's best if I do it like that. Hey, I know what. So it is butterflies. Very pretty. And a larger than normal stamp set. So usually the stamp sets are yay big, 4x6. This is a 6x8. And I love these sort of stained glass look butterflies. Be really fun with, obviously, with the Distress Oxides. And what else do we have in here? Ooh. Oh, cardstock comes in a bag this time. Interesting. So this is some silver foil. And then the cardstock. So let me just get the colors for the cardstock here. Island Blue. Not sure if I have all the colors that it says that I'm supposed to have. Sometimes I get different colors. Not sure if that happens to you guys, but okay, so it says it's supposed to come with Island Blue, Doll Pink. I definitely don't have Doll Pink. So Island Blue, bright yellow, lipstick red, and so I've got an orange instead of the Doll Pink. I think that happened last month. Send me pink, Simon Says Stamp. I like pink. And then I've got 2 sheets of just the white cardstock. And so this Thermoweb by Gina K Sparkling Silver Fancy Foil. And then this is a Tim Holtz blending brush. To be used with your stencil, obviously. Okay, that is it. That is the April Simon Says Stamp kit called Beautiful Day. Lots of rainbows and butterflies, and I haven't even finished using up the March card kit because I've been a little bit preoccupied with like spring break and stuff, yeah, keep trucking along. Make sure you're following me here on YouTube or also Instagram, Facebook, and I will be posting all my cards there. I am participating in the 100-day project, making a card a day. So this will definitely be coming out to make some cards with. Yeah, thanks guys. You have a great day. Bye-bye.